Good morning, students. In previous class, I had given task from exercise 6.2, but you have not asked me yet. Even then, I am going to solve exercise. I am going to solve question number 4 of exercise 6.2. I am going to 4 number solve. In 4 number question, in figure 6.31, if PQ parallel ST, angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST बराबर 130 degree. Find the angle QRS. If in figure 6.31, if PQ parallel ST, angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree. Find the angle QRS. To solve this problem, you have to do some construction. First of all, draw a line parallel to ST. Throw point R. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to 110 degree, angle RST is equal to 130 degree. Draw through draw RXY parallel PQ parallel ST. Construction. Throw R, draw RXY parallel PQ, parallel ST. Here angle PQ parallel XR, PQ parallel XR, so angle PQR plus angle PQR plus angle XRQ is equal to 180 degree sum of co-interior angles. Similarly, angle PQR is 110 degree plus angle XRQ is equal to 180 degree. Angle XRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Again, ST parallel YR ST parallel RY angle TSR plus angle YRS is equal to 180 degree sum of co-interior angles. Now angle QRX plus angle QRS plus angle SRY. We have to find angle QRS plus angle YRS is equal to a straight line is equal to angle XRY is equal to 180 degree. And angle QRX is equal to 70 degree plus angle QRS plus angle YRS mistake angle TSR 130 degree plus angle YRS is equal to angle YRS is equal to 180 degree. Angle YRS is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. Now angle QRS बराबर angle QRS. Now angle QRS बराबर एंगल XRY माइनस एंगल QRX एंगल X एंगल XRQ प्लस एंगल XRQ प्लस एंगल YRS is equal to XRY is a straight line 180 degree minus is equal to 180 degree एंगल QRX बराबर 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल 70 डिग्री प्लस 50 डिग्री बराबर 180 डिग्री माइनस 120 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. आंसर देख सकते आंसर करते हैं. R is equal to 110 degree and angle RST बराबर 130 degree. We have to find the value of angle QRS. In the given figure, at first we do construction. Through R, draw XY parallel to PQ parallel ST. Since PQ parallel XR and QR is transversal, so sum of co-interior angles, angle PQR plus angle QRS, sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PQR is given 110 degree plus XRQ is equal to 180 degree. या एंगल XRQ बराबर 70 डिग्री. Again, ST parallel RY and RS is transversal. So angle TSR plus angle SRY, sum of co-interior angles equal to 180 degree. या एंगल YRS बराबर YRS इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 130 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. नाउ एंगल QRS इज इक्वल टू एंगल QRS इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बिकॉज एंगल QRX जोड़ एंगल QRS जोड़ एंगल YRS is a straight line, straight angle. The value of a straight angle is 180 degree. So subtract the sum of angle QRX plus angle YRS minus angle XRY. So angle QRS बराबर 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल QRX जोड़ एंगल YRS. एंगल QRX is equal to 70 degree and angle YRS is equal to 50 degree. So subtracting 120 degree from 180 degree, we get the value of angle QRS is equal to 60 degree. Now one more problem I am going to solve. 6 number questions. In figure 6.33, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB extracts the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and extracts the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. First of all, we construct figure 6 number question of exercise 6.2. Here in this figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ, RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB extracts AB and AB is an incident ray. AB, BC, D. Here PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB extracts the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and extracts the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. Draw draw MB, draw BM, perpendicular PQ and CN, perpendicular RS. Here BM parallel CM ये BM parallel CN and BC is a transversal BM parallel CN and BC is a transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, but angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. You have studied in physics class in light chapter. You know the laws of reflection. Incident angle is equal to reflected angle. आपतन कोण बराबर परावर्तन कोण. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 4 by laws of reflection. Plus angle 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Yeah. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. But these are alternate interior angles. Hence, therefore AB parallel CD. Here, AB is an incident ray extracts PQ, mirror PQ at point D, and from D it reflects in BC direction, and after that reflection he extracts at point C and from C back along CD in CD direction. Draw PM, BM perpendicular PQ and CN perpendicular RS. Now BM and CN are perpendicular lines, so both are parallel, and BC is a transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Alternate angles BM parallel CN and BC transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. By laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now adding angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Adding angle 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Adding 1 and 2, we have angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. But these are alternate angles, therefore lines ray AB is parallel to CD. So two important problems have been solved from exercise 6.2. You have not asked me from any problem from this exercise. Now, in next class, I will teach you angle sum property of a triangle and one more theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. So I give you task to read this exercise, and in next class again I will solve your problem. Thank you.